The controversial morning after pill has been offered as a form of emergency contraception for years now. It's a non-prescription drug that any pharmacist can give you. But should it be put in vending machines? Towson University is thinking of doing just that in its health center. ABC 2 News' Roosevelt Lefkowitz joins us now to explain why. Rosie?
Well, Kelly, for Towson, this would be the next logical step. Already, Shippensburg State University near Harrisburg has a vending machine that dispenses Plan B in its health center, along with pregnancy tests, cough drops, and other health needs. And Towson is thinking about it because doctors there say it would promote responsible behavior. It's not an issue of just having birth control on campus. Free condoms are always available. Baskets of them, in fact, in every dorm in very clever displays. Other types of contraception are also offered at the health center, from birth control pills to this, Plan B.
Plan B has been available since 4 or 5 years ago when it hit the market first as a prescription drug and eventually as a non-prescription drug, and we've been making it available since it first came out.
The drug is designed to be used as an emergency contraceptive. It's basically a large dose of one of the key ingredients in common birth control pills, progesterone. It can only be purchased by people over the age of 17, is FDA approved, and considered very, very safe. So at Towson U, the next logical step is to make it easier to get. And that means putting it in a vending machine in the Dowell Health Center.
Make it more accessible to students and more private. In other words, as long as they showed that they were 17 or over, they could access a vending machine. They wouldn't need to explain to somebody what happened, why they want it. They could just go in and get it, and that would be the end of it.
Dr. Halpern says that for many people, sex is still hard to talk about. She says by having the machine in the health center, it would give students options. As long as they were 17, they could get the drug and go, or if there were questions, they would have someone to speak with. Critics of such a proposal say the pill is a form of abortion because it prevents a fertilized egg from being implanted. Other critics say it promotes promiscuity and may encourage the spread of STDs. But counselors say that's an argument that's been heard before.
That's what people said 25 years ago when we started promoting condoms, and largely in response to what was then the new HIV/AIDS crisis. So I think it's an old argument that gets brought up every single time there's some new technology to help people have more responsible sex.
Myers and Halpern say that this right now is under consideration, but probably a year or so away from happening. They're still researching vending machines to see what would be practical here and to make sure that only students over the age of 17 could get access. That's why, for now, a machine would only be in the health center. Roosevelt Lefkowitz, ABC 2 News.